magde-deliver na naman kami for today's video. At maganda ang panahon ngayon, maaraw. Magandang hindi maulan. So sana magtuloy-tuloy para mamaya hindi na kami basa ng ulan, no? Ako naman kasi asawa. At nung tulog ko kagabi, nanood kami ng anong tawag doon, yung Mad Max, yung bago yun, yung kwento ng babae. Ang chika po today's video. Ang aking asawa mahilig manood ng movie, kaya bumili siya ng projector. I tell the one that we watched last night.
Furiosa and Mad Max Saga.
I like that movie. That movie, I didn't fall asleep.
Do you remember the first one? It's called Mad Max Road Fury.
Yeah.
That movie we watched yesterday is the story before that movie.
Yeah.
That's why it's called prequel.
Okay, so nakadress ako. Ayan. Matchy-matchy. Bilang aking isang followers, subscriber. Chika ko din buhay ng aking asawa. Saan daw siya lumaki. Dito, sabi ko na nga, hindi nanonood ng yun, ng vlog ko. Kasama, dito na pinanganak. Kaya American citizens na agad. Alis na kami. Ang ganda ng aking dress, matchy-matchy. Baby, we're match.
That's good.
I only bought this only like 30 pesos in the Philippines. Inukay-ukay, like a Goodwill.
No?
Managua.
City of Managua.
Kakatapos lang namin kumain at namamasyal kami dito sa lake ng Managua. Show the lake, baby.
There's a lake over on the other side too. Oh, bikers. Lake on both sides.
Bibili kami ngayon ng aming mga snacks at tatambay kami sa lake kasi masarap tumambay ngayon. Angat naman yung kakataas mo lang kumain. Did you get scared?
Got me jumping a little bit. I didn't know what he was doing. What's a helicopter? Can't see it in here.
Bibili kami ng snacks. Kanina nagpapatugtog siya ng Chinese. Sabi ko, anong kanta yan? Naiintindihan mo ba? Sabi niya, hindi. Kasi gusto lang niya, gusto niya lang makinig ng mga Chinese music. Chinese, isn't it? The one that you're playing earlier?
Yes.
Why are you playing like that?
Of course, sometimes I'm just in the mood. Whatever I'm in a mood for, that's what I listen to. Sometimes it's Japanese, Chinese, Korean.
Pupunta kami ngayon sa Meron ditong Save More. Pero magkaiba sila ng Save More sa Philippines sa Save More dito. Pakita natin ang Save More. Ayan po ang Save More nila. Pakita natin, ha? Ayan. Aking asawa ay naglalakad sa tabi ng lake.
We'll go inside and we'll see if it's the same thing like you think it is.
Yeah. Chocolate.
Want to chase the rainbow?
No, I'm on a diet.
Chocolate overload.
Maybe on my birthday, buy me a cake.
You can get whatever you want on your birthday.
Really?
To come here to buy food and then go back to the hotel.
Okay.
You want ice cream? You can look to see if they have some here.
Oh, Ben and Jerry's.
Jerry's.
Okay, we can share there. I'll buy the Ben and Jerry next time. No, I'm on a diet, so I need a little bit small ice cream. Yeah, but I cannot finish that. So I think I'm gonna eat with you, whatever you want. Eat in the lake. Ang saya ng ganito, no? Sana laging ganito.
You didn't bring utensils. Well, let's see if they have some here.
What is that?
Butter pecan.
Looks like it's not delicious.
It is.
Before Christmas, if I become 55 kilos, I have 50,000.
No, I said if you lose 50 pounds, not become 55 kilos.
Change it.
That's the deal. That's the deal for 50
So, how many kilos?
50 pounds?
Yeah, no, kilos. Do you want me to be?
What are you now?
I'm 60.
60?
Yeah, I'm 60 kilos.
What's your goal? Where are you trying to get to?
I wanna be like 54 kilos.
Or I'll have to do the conversion. I don't know it on top of my head.
They have sleeper too.
I don't know if I have.
Let's see if they have Asian something here.
You mean Asian stuff?
Yeah, like Filipino.
You can. Okay.
Dito na naman kami sa chichiri. Hindi pa ako kakain yan, ha. Nagda-diet ako. Kasi naghahanap ako ng ng reno, guys. Kasi pagka nagkakaldereta ako, naglalagay ako ng reno, 'di ba? Ay nung pampasarap ng kaldereta eh.
9 pounds only, then you don't get 9,000. So the minimum is 10. So it would have to be 10 pounds or more for me to pay out.
Okay, okay. So if I lost 10 pounds, you give me 10,000 pesos.
Yes. And you have all the way until the beginning of next year. Then I'll check your rate.
Okay.
So if you're able to do 20 or 30 by that time, then you get 20 or 30,000.
Okay, that's easy.
Yeah. So if you could do 50, you'll get 50. But 50 is going to be hard to do.
Don't do that. lang kami ng isang ice cream at saka isang Cheetos na naman. Ay, nako. Hindi talaga ako papayat nito. Pero enjoyin natin habang may pagkain kasi baka mamaya kalawang buwan. Wala na tayong pagkain. Yun po yung hotel na yan. Diyan po kami nag-i-stay. Tapos ito yung aming view. Kain lang kami ng ice cream. Magkukwentuhan, di ba? Sarap ng buhay, no? Kain po tayo.
Eat it with the pecan.
I wish my family is here.
Oh, Jason? Jessica? Or you mean just your mom and dad?
I love it.
Maybe one day. You like the pecan?
Sarap. Maalon na. Nag-start na ng alon. Wala na naliligo. There's no people swimming.
You're not supposed to swim in here.
Yeah, but last night, no, not last week, I saw some.
You did?
Yeah.
I don't know. I never see people swim here. I don't think they should swim in this water. It's dirty.
Looks clean to me.
It's brown. I'm not getting in there.
Philippines, if we have like this, a lot of people gonna build this tent and they selling some food, like grilling. But here they don't sell anything.
Everyone in your country is an entrepreneur. They have their own business.
Yeah, they didn't sell anything here. Why they don't allow?
Because here, not just anybody can do it. You have, to have, a license for everything.
Look, I'm fatter than you.
That's how you've always been, baby. You have a round face.
Nanood kami ng movie, guys. Yung, was that again the title?
Furiosa.
Furiosa, ang ganda. Sumunod siya dun sa may Mad Max. Pinanood namin. Where did you get the link? In the
movie? This is online.
Nakuha niya lang yung link sa online. So, dinownload niya, tapos nanood kami sa projector. Ang ganda talaga. Ayun yung movie pag bago yung Mad Max. Yun yung movie about sa girl, yung partner ni Mad Max. Ayun. Ang ganda. So, what do you think about the movie?
It's pretty good. I think it's about the same as the first one. Even though it's a prequel, meaning that movie is first, but that movie came second. You should give a review of that movie.
I like that movie. That movie I didn't fall asleep because I really like it. Because every time we watch the movie, I fall asleep.
The old one that I show you, you fell asleep.
Yeah.
On the watch. But the good thing is some of these movies, It's they call it a standalone, meaning that even if you've never seen the old ones, you can watch it and you can still understand the story. But some movies are not designed like that. It's made to be part of like a saga or like a trilogy, something like that. So that means if you didn't watch part 1 or part 2 or
you're not gonna understand the movie.
You're not gonna understand it. But the way Mad Max story is set up, you can kind of understand it regardless of whether you watch the old one or not. But only watch the old one if you want to know what happened, like in the beginning, how it all got started.
Yeah.
But pretty much, it's considered a standalone because they already explained the story in the beginning that, you know, it's after like a nuclear war. You know, the planet is dead. There's no plant life. There's no water. You know, a lot of land is just desert. And the survivors, you know, they fighting for resources. Yeah. That's pretty much what it is. And those bad guys are looking after her because she knows where the Greenland is. It's just sad that in the, you know, in the first one, which is the prequel, no, not the prequel, the sequel to Furiosa, you know, when she went back, it's already gone. The Greenland is gone already.
Yeah. Who took it?
They didn't say who took it. I think it just died because it's gone. You know, it doesn't last forever. Eventually all the plants die because there's no more water. All the trees die. So then they just go back.
There's no rain.
There's no more green. Do you remember the movie or no?
The Mad Max? I only remember the Mad Max.
Yeah, so they actually ended up going back and then they beat the bad guy. I don't remember his name. Immortan Joe, that's his name, yeah. They beat that guy and then they took over the Citadel, you know. And that's just pretty much the end of the movie.
I like that movie.
Some people don't like end of the world movie stuff, like the old guy in my work, he never liked it. Every time I tell him about like end of the world movies, he always said, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to talk about it. Don't tell me. I don't want to hear it. I don't like those movies. You know? He likes happy movies. Like, you know.
There's the sun already.
We're going to watch the sunset.
Yeah.
Show the sunset, baby. Yeah, I see it now. It's just that it's so weird inside the camera. There it is, yeah.
Weird.
Yeah, it's so bright inside the camera, it just looks a little bit weird, like it's almost invisible. It just looks like a bright spot.
Yeah. There's the dog.
If I were to get you a dog, it would have to be a tiny dog only. Meaning that even when he's grown up already, he's still tiny. So he eats very little.
Look at the view, it's so beautiful.
We should take a picture.
Yeah, let's take a picture here. Nakita niyo, may naglalakad pong ibon.
Maybe when the weather's better, I'll take you to the Milwaukee Zoo. Take my kids too, and then you can see what they have there. And then we can get Krispy Kreme too when we go there.
Sarap dito. Maybe I hope when we get older, we still doing this. Like going to the lake, eating, picnic, you know. I was thinking in our future, we have a lot of kids, we have a lot of grandchildren. They're running in there, they're playing the water.
Didn't I tell you that my cousin and my best friend, John, he died from drowning?
Yeah, that's why.
And he knows how to swim.
I know, that's why I think you're a little bit paranoid.
Well, you can't be too careful in water, even if you know how to swim.
So, punta na kami sa aming hotel. Ayun pa yung aming hotel. Oh. the trees, so beautiful.
Take a picture. Take a picture?
No. And they have flowers in there. Napakaganda rito sa ano. Meron pa silang ganyan. Like that?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Now you got it. Okay.
Come in, come in.
Now we're going
I'll
down.
show you my condo.
Brand new condo.
Heat us up.
What number is it? 211. Okay, here we are.
Dito na kami sa aming hotel. Ito yung aming view. View na naman namin ng lake. Diba? Kaya lang ngayon, nasa second floor kami. Nakaraan, nasa third floor. Ayan o. Diba? Diba? Ganda. So, magsusumba muna ako. Kasi hindi ako pinagpawisan eh. So, kailangan ko mapagpawisan bago ako mag-shower, diba? Tama ba ako? Ganun po talaga. Pagka may, may kapalit yung pampapayat, gaganahan ka talaga. Pero kung walang kapalit, naku, kumain ka na lang ng kumain. Diba? Buti binigyan ako ng kondisyon nito ng aking asawa na pagka daw nabawasan ako, diba? Sana nga mabawasan kahit mga 10 kilo lang, no? Hi everyone! Kakatapos ko lang mag-zumba. Pawis na naman, diba? O at least nalabasan na naman ng mga fatty acid. Diba? Shout out nga pala kay Fuentiza Andan. Lagi nagpapa-shoutout to. Ito yung lagi nagsasabi na mag-exercise, mag-diet. So, thank you ate dahil sa'yo napursige akong mag-diet at mag-exercise. No? Thank you sa mga advice, sa lahat ng mga nag-a-advise sa akin. Maraming salamat po at lagi ko pong tinitake ang mga good advices nyo. Pero pagka yung advice nyo kakaiba na, hindi na natin pwede i-take yun. No? Maraming salamat po sa mga nanonood at walang sawang pagsusuporta sa aking video. Na kahit walang kaganap-ganap, patuloy pa rin nanonood. No? Salamat po sa lahat, lalo na po sa mga nagpapa-shoutout at lagi nanonood sa aking video. Sana pagpalain po kayo ng may haring may kapal at lagi po kayo bayan ng Panginoon. No? Maraming salamat po sa lahat. And thank you for always watching my video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and God bless.